Welcome to the Hard Reset YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show what is sprays in COD Mobile. So if you're wondering what are exactly the Call of Duty Mobile sprays and what they're used for, this video is for you. So basically what spray are the custom graffitis that you can apply on the terrain that you're playing, on the walls, on the floor, on the, well, other terrain parts that you'll find worth painting or spraying. Pretty much like a graffiti, like a personalized picture or emote that you can customize and, well, just show off to everybody in the match, expressing yourself this way, I don't know. Anyway, in order to manage those sprays and graffitis, you'll need to go into your respective loadout, then open the customization section, and here select this, well, graffiti icon, graffiti spray icon or spray icon, whatever, and here you'll see all the available sprays that you have, and among them you can select whatever is the preferred spray you would like to use, like equip it in a way. So I guess that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching and bye bye.